Welcome back to DPS-Design problem and solution. In this tutorial, we will design this basket. So let's start. Create a new file. Select part, click OK. And first change the units to millimeter. Select the top plane. Go to Sketch tab and select Sketch. Select the ellipse. Select origin and draw ellipse here. And modify the dimension. It's 50. And these 2 points distance is 70. Now go to Features tab, select Extruded Base command. Length of extrude is 50 and draft angle is 8. Draft outward, click OK. And now select the front plane. Make it normal, go to Sketch, select Sketch, select a 3-point arc, select this point and this point, and we find the dimension of this arc is 200. And now select a line, draw a profile to close this sketch. Now go to Features tab again, select Extruded Cut command, select through all both, click OK. And now select the shell command. Thickness of shell is 3, 1.5. Click OK. First select the surface. Click this one. Click OK. Now we can see that our basket is created, and now we will apply different features on it. Now select the right plane, make it normal, and go to Sketch tab, edit sketch, select a 3-point arc, select this point and this point. And now offset this. Define the distance is 4.5. And again select this offset intensity command. Select this line and find the distance as 1.5. Click OK. And now select a circle. Draw a circle here. And find the dimension of this circle as 3 mm. And now select this circle and this line and make them tangent. This circle and this line tangent. Click OK. And now select a centered line. Draw a line from here, vertical line, and the distance between this point and this line is 5. Click OK. And now select trim command and trim this line. And now select mirror and trace command. Select and trace to mirror. Select this and mirror about. Select this line. Click OK. And now go to Feature tab. Select Extruded Cut command. Select through all both. Click OK. First sketch the inside of the sketch and click OK. Now we will apply fillets to these top corner of the basket. Go to fillet tab and select the items to fillet, and radius is 0.5, and start to select inside corner, click OK. And now again select fillet command, and now we will apply fillet to this corner. Select items to fillet and inside, and find the radius as fillet parameters 0.2, and then click OK. And now again select fillet command, and now we will apply fillet on these two corners. Select fillet command, select the items to fillet, click OK. And now go to front plane, make it normal, and select sketch, edit sketch, select a pentagon, polygon command, parameters 5, number of sides 5, and draw a pentagon here. And the dimension of this is the diameter of the inside circle is 4, and the distance of this line and this line is 5 mm. And now draw a center line, select center line, draw a vertical line here, and now select this point and this line and make them coincident. Click OK. And now go to linear sketch command, sketch pattern command, and select this one, and select this 6, and the distance between them is also 6, and entities pattern is select all the lines of pentagon, this line or this circle, and click OK. And now go to features tab, select extruded cut command, select through all, and change the direction, click OK. And now go to circular pattern command, define the number as 20, and select equal spacing and pattern, click OK. First we have to add an axis, so now we will select add axis here, select this one, and select the right plane and front plane, click OK. And now again go to circular pattern command, select the number of 20, and select this axis and click, and select the features, that select cut extrude 3 and click OK. And this is the final geometry of our basket. Add this axis, and now we will apply different colors on it that we want, or that looks more beautiful. Select this Select any color that we want to apply. Okay. Smooth. We can add different color. Also select this. Select yellow color. So that's the end of this tutorial, and if you want to receive the notification of next video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.